Hey YouTube, this is that short guy here. I'm gonna start a new little series. This is my newest project. You know, it's still cold, so riding season hasn't started yet. But basically, I'm gonna try to rebuild this 2016 Cadillac ATS V. I just got it. I got it. Won the bid yesterday from Copart. It arrived at my house today. So it was really fast. That's through their shipper. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of take you guys through like taking off the panels, body work. From what I can see is that it's gonna need 2 new rims. Both tires are off the rim and they look pretty scratched up. Who knows, it might be bent when I take them off. It's definitely going to need 2 new intercoolers. It's leaking transmission fluid because these ATSs have a rear-mounted transmission cooler, so it's leaking. That's gone actually. It's totally missing. So it's leaking transmission fluid. I'm probably going to have to take the spark plugs out and clean out the engine inside because I think when it rolled over, I think some of the oil got up in there. So I definitely need to do that. The car does start. It does run and drive. It starts actually pretty well. So I was pretty happy about that. It's a 6-speed manual, and it's got about 19,000 miles on it. But yeah, one thing I'm really excited. So y'all know on my channel, like I really love Cadillac. That's my first car was a STS V. I love these V Series cars. Since then, I haven't gotten a V Series Cadillac in a long time. I really had more of their trucks, something more practical. But I figured this would be a fun car to start working on. But you know, it's going to be a kind of a long, drawn-out series. This definitely won't be very quick. I think what I'm going to do today is just get this car in the Ranger Quick Jack really quick, and then take the wheels off, and I'll put them on these. I don't know what you call them, but basically they substitute the wheel for an iron block, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So that way I can have all the wheels off, get the thing in the air, kind of really look under the car and see what it needs. So you guys can follow me through that today, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for this one. I really am. So, because the tires are busted, I can't slide the Ranger Quick Jacks underneath the car. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a jack and jack it up by the rear differential. I'm going to put these jack pads by ZL1 add-ons. I use this with my 2017 Camaro to jack it up and put these on the pinch wheel. So that way, when I jack the car up, I can slide the Quick Jack underneath and get this car on the Ranger Quick Jack. Take the wheels off. There's one. Yeah, this should be long enough. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a block of wood under that rear diff, so let me jack up.
Hopefully that's enough. Get the quick jack underneath the other side. Let's see.
Going a little bit higher.
Hold on, I think I'm almost there. Yeah, can you go a little higher? Okay.
A little bit more.
I think that should do it, at least on this side. Okay.
Feels off. That's gonna work. There we go. So yeah, I got these off of a website. It's 928, I believe 928 Racing. They're just car stands. All right, that's good. Let's get this other side. Okay, now that the wheels are off, I can lower the quick jack. All right. We need to add air into the cylinders on the quick jack. Okay. Great. Try to get all this grime out of here. There's so much grime, man.